people will start receiving their 2021 economic impact payments soon. In addition, every day, millions of Americans are receiving vaccinations to combat C-19. I'm Rhonda, the Mature Diva, and today we are going to discuss how to prevent revenge shopping regrets. After a year of having our lives turned upside down, a lot of people are eager to get out the house and socialize, especially with some money in their hands. So you may envision some romanticized version of returning to shopping, and that's all good. But be sure you set some clear goals of a real budget to spend on shopping for non-essential items. You all know what I'm talking about. There's a clear difference between buying essentials like laundry detergent, soap, food, and gas versus shopping for non-essential things like designer shoes, bling, and travel. For some people, there's a dopamine rush associated with shopping that is just as strong as addictions to other things. According to a recent CNN report, revenge shopping is a theory that once the pandemic is over, people are going to go out and spend money as revenge from being restricted for so long. And as people return to eating out for dinner, traveling, and returning to work, shoppers may spend more on clothes for these occasions. I'll link that entire article below. Another recent NBCnews.com article indicated that consumers who have been housebound for the last year are ready to indulge in revenge shopping and revenge spending. I'll link that article below also. Revenge shopping will be great for the economy, the retailers, and for those who can't afford it. But it can add some economic stress for consumers once the retail romance is over. Here's how you can enjoy a little retail therapy and avoid revenge shopping regrets. Set a budget and stay within it. Stay out of pricey stores you know you can't afford. If you couldn't afford it during normal times, now is not the time to start shopping there. Do not rack up credit card debt, period. Plan now for what you will buy and the cost of each item and determine if it fits in your planned budget. Doing this now gives you the opportunity to determine if you really want the items, and it helps you prioritize if there's too much stuff on your list. This way, you won't be overwhelmed and tempted when you go to the stores. Also, save your receipts so you can take things back if you change your mind. These are just a few of my tips to keep those with a shopping itch out of trouble and avoiding revenge shopping regrets. Remember, be careful and safe out there when shopping. Be sure to check out my next video and subscribe. Thanks, everyone.